So this is a quick video of my workspace and what I'm working on currently. So I'm getting ready to paint the Raptor tomorrow. I'm going to clean up all the flashings and whatnot tonight. Here's a 5-gallon of latex, mask latex. Kind of like my workbench. It's a little bit messy, but you know. My air compressor, my 10-gallon pressure pot. Lots of resin. These 2 5-gallons are almost gone, about maybe a quarter left of each. I've already used about 10 gallons a few months back, so every year I probably get about 20 gallons. More resin. These are transparent ones, Smooth Cast 326. That's my 5-gallon vacuum chamber. And of course, lots of silicone molds. Mold Max 30 for resin casting. I usually use Mold Max 10 for concrete casting, but I'm trying out Mold Max 15T. It's slightly cheaper because there's no pigments in it, and slightly harder than the 10. So I'll see how that goes. My head form, some of my sculpting tools, some clay, lots of clay down there. Yeah, so within the next few days I'm going to have a video showing how I paint this guy up. So yeah, hopefully it will be nice. Thanks.